In the vast, inky expanse of the cosmos, a spectacle of celestial proportions unfolds. Shadows and light intertwine in an intricate ballet, a dance of the stars, as the Galactic Federation prepares for a battle of epic proportions. The Pleiadians, beings of radiant light and boundless wisdom, gather their forces, harnessing the power of cosmic energy within their extraordinary light ships. Alongside them, the Aldebaranians, a race of indomitable warriors, stand ready, their resolve unyielding, their spirits unbroken. They are not alone in this formidable alliance, as various interstellar races, each with their unique strengths, unite under the banner of the Galactic Federation. The enemy, the dark forces, lurk in the shadows, their sinister intentions set on enslaving humanity. They thrive on fear, chaos, and discord, seeking to shroud the world in darkness and seize control. Their power seems formidable, but the Federation knows the strength of light, the power of unity, and the indomitable spirit of freedom. The battle commences, echoing through the farthest reaches of the cosmos. The light ships of the Federation, glowing with ethereal energy, dart across the celestial battlefield. They release waves of pure light, their radiant weapons slicing through the darkness. Each strike is a testament to their resolve, their commitment to safeguarding freedom and peace. The Aldebaranians, warriors of unparalleled bravery, charge into the fray, their fierce determination a beacon in the darkness. Their courage inspires their allies, igniting a flame of defiance that spreads throughout the Federation's ranks. The dark forces retaliate, their attacks fueled by desperation and malice. Yet each assault is met with unwavering resistance, the Federation's unity proving stronger than any weapon. This epic battle rages on, a cosmic clash between light and dark, freedom and tyranny. Yet even in the face of adversity, the light of the Galactic Federation never falters. Their unity, their resolve, and their belief in a world free of tyranny fuels their indomitable spirit. Finally, the decisive moment arrives. The Federation, united in purpose and resolve, delivers a final resounding blow. The dark forces reel, their plans of domination crumbling before the unyielding light. The shadows retreat, their sinister presence fading into the nothingness from whence they came. Victory belongs to the Galactic Federation. The cosmos breathes a sigh of relief. The oppressive weight of the dark forces lifted. The light of freedom shines brighter than ever, a beacon of hope for every corner of the universe. This victory is not just a triumph over the dark forces, it is a testament to the power of unity, the strength of resolve, and the indomitable spirit of freedom. It serves as a reminder that even in the face of overwhelming darkness, the light of unity and freedom will always prevail. The Galactic Federation stands victorious, their light ships gleaming against the backdrop of the cosmos. They remain vigilant, the guardians of peace and freedom, ready to face any threat that dares to shroud the universe in darkness once again. For in this vast, mysterious cosmos, the light of freedom will always shine the brightest.